wonderful people, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are stopping by today, by the way, my name is Hetiken. I do makeups here on this channel, and if you like to be part of my family, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification so you will be notified whenever there is a new video on this channel. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. But if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you can tell from the title, finding the right foundation that matches your skin color or undertone. First off, let me say this. I don't know much about undertone, and I don't want to sit here and behave like I know a lot about that. I will try and find a little information and put them somewhere on the screen for you to read about what undertone really is. I am just taking you through what the daily person asks me. By the way, if you don't know, I do makeup apart from only on YouTube. I know a little bit of finding the right shade for a client. When I get a client who wants to go somewhere and they come to me for makeups, foundation that I choose for them is either one is darker or the other one is more bright. They do not fit in the right shade. It also has to do with me as well. If you've watched my previous video, it's either my face is more brighter than my neck, or like I had to fit in somewhere. And most of the time, we that we are in Europe, for me for instance, when I am buying a foundation and it's in winter, it has something to do with my skin or how it will reflect, because in winter my skin tends to be lighter than as in summer. So when I buy a foundation in winter, definitely I'm going to have an issue when it's summer, because summertime my skin is going to like tone down a little bit, so it's going to affect me. So what I do is I do not pay attention to those kind of things. I just try to use color corrector or try to blend the foundation into my skin somehow and manage it, because I am somebody that thinks makeup do not have any roots. That is quite funny, but hey, as you are doing makeup and as time goes on, there are certain things that you pay attention to. Unlike before, I used to like overlook so many things, but now I pay a little attention to like the petty things that I think is not necessary. At the end of the day, I think all of them are necessary and it has to be looked at. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the foundations that I have and how I'm going to work with it. It might help you as well. So I have quite a number of foundations here that belongs to me. So I'm going to take you through my foundation. Not quite a lot, but it's okay for me. So this foundation here is my foundation. That is the Ultra HD Makeup Forever foundation. This is my shade. I bought this foundation in winter, and honestly I ordered it online. So when it got to me, I realized it was a little brighter for me. So I normally use it in winter, but what I noticed is that it doesn't really matter if it's winter or summer. Trust me, it doesn't match my undertone. And I'm going to swatch it so that you know what I am talking about. You see that this is my skin color and this is the foundation. So definitely this is not going to work for me, but do you see? So at the end of the day, it's either it's more lighter, I have to take it like that, okay, wearable. So it's either I wear it like this, being a little more lighter than my normal skin, or I choose to try and find my real foundation. So moving on to the next one. So I'm going to swatch this for you to know how it is on my skin. So at the end of the day, I think this is almost like my skin color, but when we look here, it's a little more like brighter. So I could go on and on and on with the foundations that I have, but I will just swatch another one for you to see and give you a conclusion of my thought of finding the right foundation shade for your skin. I guess you guys are used to seeing me use this L'Oreal foundation a billion times on this channel, but the question is, does it really match my skin tone? I don't think it's the perfect shade for my skin color, but it's something that I can wear. It's wearable for me. So I will just swatch that and then give you the conclusion or my final thought about all of that. This is the L'Oreal foundation you've seen me use on this channel every time. So at the end of the day, what I think, my thought about finding the right shade for your skin color or finding the right foundation that matches your skin color. Sis, honestly, you are not Beyonce, you are not Rihanna, you are not a celebrity or a superstar that you can order people to manufacture your own foundation for your skin color or undertone. There isn't going to be like that. A few people might be lucky to find that, but how many are that lucky? All that I am trying to say is that there is not going to be like the perfect foundation for your skin color, but there is going to be a foundation that is closer to your skin color or that is wearable for you. So get this idea off your head that I'm going to find the perfect foundation that works for me. When you go to the market, I would advise you that if it's possible, you try 2 foundations that is really close to your skin color and you mix them together and you get the perfect shade that you are looking for. But that could be very pricey if you are not somebody that is willing to spend the coins to get that. But you can get one also that is wearable for you, that you can wear even though you know it is a little lighter than your neck or your chest. I will just give you an illustration of what I think is the perfect foundation for my skin, and I'm going to mix I think 2 or 3 foundations together to get that. You see? So guys, you just be the judge for yourself. This is the foundation that I mixed together, the 3 shades. Be honest with me and yourselves. Don't you think this really is my skin color or it matches my shade better? This is my chest. Just match it to my chest. So let me just be honest with you. Forget about finding your right shade. You just buy 2 or 3, mix them together. You will get your foundation shade, the right shade for your skin. And you wouldn't have to stress yourself. Always try and mix it together. If they won't do it for you, you can do it yourself. So if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to share. Please subscribe to my channel as well and be part of my family. Thank you for sticking by till here or till now.